Welcome to our Southern California mini-series, where you will spend time meditating with John Assaraf, CEO of MyNeuroGym.com. You will learn scientifically proven methods that will help you expand your mental and emotional power. It's a beautiful day to take time for yourself.
All right, welcome back. This is John. And have you ever heard the saying that visualization is a simulation? And if you have, great. And if you haven't, understand that when you and I visualize, we're activating cells in our brain that are creating electrical activity that release the neurochemicals in our brain to cause us to feel a certain way. And when we visualize, we fire these brain cells, and here's something you may have not heard yet. The neurons, or brain cells that fire together, wire together. So when I visualize the success that I want, whether it's in business or in my relationship, or in my income or in sales or in anything, if I can visualize it, I can emotionalize it. If I emotionalize it, I can actionalize it, meaning first I need to see it, then I need to feel it and believe it, and then that's what fires off the motivational circuits, which causes me to have a motive for the action to take action on what it is that I'm visualizing. Does that make sense? That's a little bit of the neuromechanics of how visualization works. So why don't you close your eyes for just a moment? I want you to pick one goal that you haven't yet achieved. It could be a goal to release weight that you want off, or fat, and keep it off. It could be a goal to have more energy and vitality. It could be a goal to double your income. It could be a goal to find the love of your dreams. It doesn't matter what the goal is. I want you to take 10 seconds and think of one goal that you haven't yet achieved. Ready? Starting with 10. I'm going to count backwards, and then I'm going to give you a visualization session, all right? So start right now with thinking of the one goal you want to achieve that you haven't yet achieved. All right, now, here's what I want you to use your imagination center in your brain. I want you to close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And I want you to see that goal that you just had, that you haven't yet achieved, and I want you to see if you can see yourself in your mind's eye already having achieved that goal. So if it's a physique that you wanted, if it's a way you want to look or feel, or an income goal or a business goal or a relationship goal, it doesn't matter. I want you to see it in your mind's eye as if you were playing a movie and you saw yourself achieving that goal. So ready? Just imagine it. Use your imagination, the imagination, and you can see it as an image. You can see it as a movie. And then as you're looking to create it, if you cannot see it in your mind's eye, that's okay. I want you to feel as if you already achieved it. Some people can visualize a little bit easier than others. It doesn't mean that you're not a good visualizer. It just means maybe you have not practiced, because visualization is a skill that you can learn that 98% of the people can visualize. There are some people that cannot visualize, but they can emotionalize, and that fires the brain cells that you need as well. So I want you to see in your mind's eye, visualize what is going on in the movie right now. How do you look? How does achieving that vision, that goal that you just set, how does it make you feel? Is there anyone else with you? Is there a language that you can hear yourself saying or talking to yourself in, knowing that you just achieved this one goal? You found the love of your life. You doubled or tripled your income. You've bought that new car. You've taken that vacation. You've put money away for future savings. Whatever it is that you imagine it and feel it in as much detail as possible right now. And then what are you saying to yourself You did it. Way to go. Yes. Are you pumping your fist right now? What are you doing? What are you saying to yourself? Imagine achieving your goal in as much detail as possible. If this applies to you, is there anyone else other than you that benefits as a result of you achieving that goal? I know you're proud of yourself. Is there anybody else that is proud of you? Is there anybody else that you achieving your goal positively impacts? Anytime you can add people, benefits, how you feel to the mental movie, the simulation in your mind, you fire those neurons in a specific sequence. And those neurons that fire together and wire together, the more you do this, the more you create permanent patterns, because repetition creates permanent patterns. Permanent patterns reinforce themselves. So now that you have this vision, this idea, this goal that you've already achieved, what's your favorite color? I want you to associate your favorite color to this goal. Great, next. What is your favorite spirit animal if you have one? For example, mine, I've got two of them. The dolphin and the eagle are like my spirit animals, where I feel the dolphin is fun and intelligent and the eagle is focused. Those I resonate with. Is there a spirit animal you resonate with? Great. Now that you have your color, your spirit animal, what about a lucky number? Do you have a lucky number? Now, choose that lucky number. Think about it right now. Think of your color. Think of your spirit animal. And now I want you to visualize the success, the achievement of the goal that you had. Now we're going to take things that you already resonate with and like. We're going to link it, it's called neural linking, to what you are visualizing. So anytime you think of your spirit animal, your favorite number, or the color that you love, you associate it and link it to the achievement of the goal that you have. So ready? We're going to do this in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Think of it all together right now. All right, so that's a little visualization session to activate several parts of your brain all at once and to link things that you already resonate with and feel good about with the vision and the goals that you have. Now, here's the key. Doing it once is like exercising once. Doesn't really do much. You may feel good in the moment. But if you practice this for 3 minutes a day, just 3 minutes a day, you'll start building those neuromuscles of visualization, of linking it to things that you already love. And watch what will happen to your motivation. Your brain will cause you to think about things you can do to achieve your goal. Your brain will cause you to want to take action to achieve your goal. And you will move towards achieving your goal faster and easier than ever before.